Hello guys, long time no see. My name is Anna and today we will talk about virtual pins in the Blynk application. So what is virtual pin? Virtual pin can be imagined as a channel between your mobile app and the hardware, your microcontroller. The main difference between virtual pins and digital analog pin is that virtual pins have no physical properties. Basically, this is a very powerful feature that allow you to send and display all the data from your hardware to the Blynk application. Also, you can think of it as a simple function in the code that can be called when needed. And one more very important thing, that you can have up to 128 virtual pins and even more if needed. If you still have any questions related to the definitions about virtual pins, you can go and check out the article in the description of this video. So let's go on and I will show you how it looks in the code. So I plugged in my NodeMCU board to my computer. Also, I selected default Blynk example for the NodeMCU board. This one. Also, I filled in the auth token, my Wi-Fi and password credentials. So now it's time to prepare the project in the application. For the first part of code, I've added the button and selected the virtual pin V5 for it. So I have added several lines of code to my sketch to work with virtual pins. You can find them in the article I mentioned before. So to work with the button, as you remember in the app I selected V5 pin for my button and V5 is the number of the virtual pin. Param is a Blynk data structure that allows you to get value from the widget. We will print the value to the console. Let's upload this sketch. So now you see that this simple sketch was uploaded to my board. Let's go to Tools and open the serial monitor to see what is going on the board. If you have any issues with displaying the console, you can change the value, place the tick icon here. I will go to the Blynk application. It's in off position. I'm hitting it to turn it on. The button sends value 1 when it's in position on and value 0 when it's off. Now I hit again on the button and we should receive 0. And here it is. Blynk sends value as a string, so you can convert it to any type. To work with strings, let's add a terminal widget to our project in the app. So I can swipe to the right and select here a terminal. As you see, I've already did that. And you can go to terminal settings and as an input select the virtual pin. For me it was V6. Let's work with the strings. I've added widget terminal to the V6 virtual pin and I'm working with it now. All I want to do, I want to get value from the terminal and pass it as a string. This is gonna be almost the same, but the type will be string, not the integer. Let's upload this sketch to the board. Don't forget to reopen the serial monitor after every time when you upload the new sketch. Now it's done, we can play our project in the app and type something into the terminal. Blynk is awesome. We have received the value that was sent from the application. Now let's go on and work with float numbers. Also, you can send float numbers. For that, we should add a step widget, and for it, I've selected the virtual pin V7. Okay, I've added almost the same code, with the one difference that param value will be sent as float. So let's upload this sketch to my board. And it's ready. Let's open the serial monitor. Now let's run the project once again and hit on the right arrow button. As you see, we have the value in the app 0.4 and 0.4 is also shown in the console here. So you already know how to send some values from the app. Let's do it vice versa and send some values to the app. So to do that vice versa, let's change a little bit code that works with terminal widget and is connected to the virtual pin V6. So what happens here? We will receive the value from the app and then you send a reply with the virtual write method and plus add Anna ending to it. Let's upload this sketch And now when it's ready, open the serial monitor once again and take a look at the app. I can write hello and receive hello Anna. So everything works smoothly as expected. One important thing you should remember, you should never put the blink right function into the loop because this can break your hardware. But you can use timers for periodic actions. Here is the example of the simple code with the timer. You can find it in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you and now you know how to work with virtual pins in the Blynk application. Don't forget to subscribe to the Blynk channel and check out my previous videos. See you soon. Bye!